This is my intro.
Hello you guys and happy end of July. I honestly don't know why I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt because I am baking right now. It is hotter than a devil's butthole and I am sweating really bad right now, so just bear with me for this intro. If there's one common item in everyone's closet, it's definitely denim. Everyone has a pair of jeans, jean shorts, denim jacket, something in the denim realm. And you know, usually the way that we style it is just throwing on a plain t-shirt, calling it an outfit, and then that's it. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 50 different ways of how you cannot do that. This video is inspired by Ashley from Bestdressed. In her video, she showed you guys how to style an outfit 50 different ways, and it was actually really helpful. So I decided to do one where I show you guys how to style denim 50 different ways. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a lot of outfits. I can't believe I changed that many times. I currently have a big pile of clothes just sitting in my living room. I partnered with Express for this video to showcase their denim collection. They just have so many cool styles, skinny, bell-bottom, high-waisted, and my favorite thing of all is that they have a really big size range. I think it goes from 00 all the way up to 18, and they have different leg lengths. I'm pretty sure all my jeans were 0 in size short, so I didn't have to have anything. All the clothes featured in this video will be linked in my description box down at the bottom, but just keep in mind guys, it's 50 outfits, so that's a lot of clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna get to all of them, so yeah. Also, some of the links are affiliate links, so I might earn commission. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Also, before we jump into this video, I have a cute little joke for you guys if you haven't heard it already. What overalls does Mario use? Okay, so let's start off with some basic mid-rise blue jeans. Literally everyone has this in their closet, so we're gonna start off with that. The first outfit, we got your typical t-shirt and jeans, of course with some sneakers. This is what most of us end up wearing on a daily basis because, you know, let's face it, as much as we want to dress up and look cute, this is what we end up pulling out from our closets, and you know what, I'm right there with you. I do this all the time. To dress it up a little and make it less boring, I threw on a pink cardigan. This sort of acts as an accessory for me. It's not really functional. Is it cold? Not at freaking all, but it definitely does make my outfit a little cuter. Okay, we're gonna make this outfit a little bit more fancy. We're gonna throw on this blazer, and you know, at this point I am wearing too much clothes, so let me swap out my t-shirt for a crop tank top to show some skin because that is Nava Rose, always half naked. Another simple way to style these jeans is with a basic sweater just tucked in, and because you're trying to stuff all this fabric in your pants, having a tight waist belt helps to remind people that yes, indeed, you still have a waist. Next are my favorite jeans, which are mom jeans. These ones are usually from the thrift store, a little bit higher at the waist and a bit looser. I wanted to go for a little tomboyish look with this one, so I paired it with an oversized men's tee and my docs. If you got some chilly weather, no fret girl, just layer a long sleeve turtleneck underneath this outfit and it totally changes it up. I also like to style my outfits with a tight loose concept, so tight at the top, loose at the bottom, or vice versa. For this outfit, since my jeans are pretty loose, I'm gonna go for a super tight top, and the way that I made it really cropped is I just tucked the bottom underneath my bra, and that way it was able to kind of hold it up. If you're gonna go for a pair of distressed jeans, may I suggest pairing it with a simple top because your pants are already loud, no need to be even louder. This look I was kind of going for a more boyish but sexy look. And for my favorite denim wash that I will love till the day I die, and that is acid wash. If you're a typical LA hoe like me and wears bralettes as tops, then you could definitely relate to this outfit because I am literally half naked 24/7. It is always hot out here in LA. But if not, then wearing a cropped loose sweater is also cute because it does show your waistline, especially with your top and your bottom both frumpy. And if you're not into the mom jeans type of look, then I got some acid wash skinny jeans for you. I like this look because it definitely keeps you warm, especially if you're in the East Coast where it's pretty chilly. It's a turtleneck sweater stuffed in some high-waist skinny jeans, and to match the whole cropped look, I'm wearing a crop jacket over top, and this outfit also looks good with some black acid wash shorts. If you guys know me, then you guys already know that I like to wear oversized hoodies and sweaters as dresses, so that is exactly what I'm doing in this outfit, and me wearing two outerwear pieces is just me making up for the fact that I'm not wearing any pants at all. I already know wearing a piece of acid wash is already too much, but no one said that acid wash on acid wash is not a look. I mean, it's probably not a look right now in 2019, but it was definitely a look in the 80s. Which brings us to our next topic, denim on denim looks. I've always been a fan of pairing denim with denim. A lot of people think it's not cute at all. Bringing it back to Brittany and Justin, I think they look cute. I don't think it's a crime. I actually really like this trend. It's kind of like wearing a matching set. The only thing that you have to really worry about is the top that you're wearing underneath and the shoes that you're gonna wear with your outfit. It's so easy. I don't know why people don't like it. Anyone who says denim on denim isn't a look is definitely a hater. The way that I would usually style denim skirts is with a super oversized long sleeve shirt, something like this, usually tucked into the skirt and with my sleeves flowing past my hands. I don't know why, but for some reason I just feel like because I'm showing so much leg, I have to be drowning in the clothes up top. Also guys, don't forget about your hats. Honestly, throwing on a hat or a beret or any type of accessory always completes the look no matter how basic your outfit is. It could be a t-shirt and jeans, throw on a hat, you got yourself an outfit, girl, okay? For a blue denim skirt, pairing it with a plain white tee is perfectly basic in the best way possible. It's kind of like a clean canvas. You could just throw on a statement jacket and you're good to go. Like, okay, maybe not that crazy, but honestly, I think this fur jacket kind of works. Okay, yeah, something more like this. This is definitely more of a classic look. For some reason, I also stand the denim and cheetah look. I don't know why. I just think the pair really goes well together. If there's any other piece that everyone else has in their closet, it's a pair of denim shorts. Okay, if this ain't the most seen outfit on Pinterest. I'm just kidding, I'm not hating at all. It's really such a good go-to outfit, especially for the summertime and if you're going to an office. You know, sometimes you just want to wear hoodies as tops. Am I the only one? Because it's like wearing a blanket. It's great. So I like to tuck in the front of my hoodie into my shorts, throw on a pair of sneakers, and that completes my whole lazy bitch look. And I can't do a summer styling video without throwing in some floral. Okay, so here you go. There's some floral for you. This is one of my favorite floral tops, mainly because it crops right at my waist. I know not everyone is into the coochie cutter scene, so I did do some outfits with the only Bermuda shorts that I have. Like, what was I thinking? Why did I DIY them like this? Anyways, since my jeans are already pretty crazy and distressed and looking like a mess, I decided to keep the top half of my outfit pretty simple. And why not go for a total 2000s look, since that is definitely trending right now. And I saw a photo of Bella Hadid in this outfit and I thought it was pretty cute, so I tried to recreate it. It definitely wasn't quite there. I look like the Walmart version of her. Okay, let's talk colors and washes, shall we? I personally think that dark denim is kind of hard to style. This jacket had a gold mustard stitching, so I decided to pair it with a yellow dress and that seemed to work pretty well. So when in doubt guys, just look at the stitching. On the other hand, light denim styling is really easy because it goes with everything, just like white. I always like to style pastel colors when I'm wearing light denim. It just feels so light and so airy and just perfect for the spring and summer season. Like, you can't ever look mad in this outfit. Like I said before, white goes with everything, so if you have a colored denim jacket, something like this, then you can never go wrong with just wearing an all white outfit. You could literally pair white with any colored denim and it'll look good no matter what. Feel free to also play around with the monochromatic look. Even though my jacket and my hoodie are both pink, they still look really good paired together because they are different shades of pink. There's something about sweaters and overall dresses that I like very much. I also think it's a great way to style a colorful sweater, and I also think it's a great way to look a lot like Chucky. Your white overalls can also go with that neon lime green sweater that you never knew how to style. And you know what? I didn't think this lime green sweater would go well at all with the blue denim overalls, but for some reason it actually does. Unless that's just me and I've just been wearing too much denim and I don't know what looks good anymore. If you think overalls are childish, then maybe try out some black overalls. They do have some non-looking overall styles nowadays, so you can dress them up or you can even wear them with an oversized tee or a hoodie for a more relaxed streetwear look. Or freaking screw it, just go full on coverall and wear a utility denim jumpsuit because like that's definitely in right now. I'm not sure if denim dresses are still a thing, but if you guys come across a denim tunic and don't know how to style it, then maybe this look can be of some help to you. Did you guys really think I was gonna make this video without throwing in some bell bottoms? And of course, I'm using my DIY crop top that I've worn for the 30th time this week. If you guys haven't watched the video, I will link it up here. Even though skinny jeans are a staple and it's basically the same thing as styling regular fit and mom jeans, here are a couple more outfit inspos with some skinny jeans. And yes guys, I'm not always naked under my oversized sweaters. Sometimes I wear pants, okay? If anyone went through this whole video saying I can't wear any of this, I only wear black, then here you go fams, you're in luck. I got an all black outfit just for you. You can also change it up by throwing on some statement but still black pants and a crop jacket to show off that high waist. And if all else fails, just resort back to our favorite look of all, t-shirt and leggings, but this time wear a denim jacket so you don't look totally lazy, you know? Not gonna lie, this is probably the comfiest out of all 50 outfits that I showed you guys, and you know what? You still look like you tried. So that concludes my 50 outfits denim video. Wait, that makes no sense. 50 denim outfits video. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It did take a long time. Your girl was struggling towards the end. All the clothes, I will try my best to link all of them. They will be in my description box, so don't forget to check those out. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!